And I don't know about you guys, but I got the keys and I'm ready to start this bad boy up and see what she sounds like. So here we go. Oh baby, gotta love the easy start of an LS motor. So let's rip it. Oh yeah! One more time! All right. Hey guys, and welcome back. I'm Chris Mazzarella, and you're watching No Reserve Classics. And before we get started, guys, if you haven't done it already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell, because you never know, your dream ride could be in the next video. And here we have it, guys, this triple black 1967 Chevrolet Camaro SS Pro Touring Restomod. And while this baby looks silky sweet, this baby has a hidden feature, an LS motor with a 4L60E automatic transmission and that awesome 12-bolt rear end. And it's got fun amenities. It's got power steering, Willwood full disc brakes, vintage air conditioning, a full OEM style interior, and even a classic style radio. So guys, stay tuned, because we're gonna give you guys a list of available options to make this baby your custom ride. So one of the most important facts about this vehicle is where it began and where it ended up now. And we have hundreds of photos available to this car showing you the complete process it went through. Everywhere from where it began, to the rotisserie, to even the motor, how it was taken down, primed and painted, and finally installed in the vehicle. Now I know you guys can't be with me here today on this beautiful turntable, but if you visit us at No Reserve Classics, you'll be able to take this ride and all of our other rides on a virtual 360-degree tour. With a simple swipe of a finger, you'll be able to view the beautiful exterior. And after you're done with that, hop over to the inside for another 360-degree virtual tour. And if you guys have any questions on how to get this ride to your house, feel free to give me a call, Chris, at 1-800-562-7815, and I'll be sure to guide you through the full process. Well, if you guys are ready, I'm ready. So hop in and let's go for a ride. All right, guys, and here we are, black on black on black. I can't get enough of it. We have a gorgeous day outside today, and this car is absolutely beautiful. Very elegant and very stylish. Talking right outside, from the outside of this vehicle all the way to the inside, very elegant and very pleasurable and very plush. Now while we look at the outside of the vehicle, we're gonna notice those 17 and 18-inch scoop wheels that are staggered. So you have that nice fat tire in the rear with the nice skinnier tire up front, giving us better traction back there. Now, while they also look good, the exterior of this vehicle got that jet black paint job, super deep. As you're driving by, you can see the beautiful reflection on the hood of all the trees, the surrounding cars, and even the clouds. So great quality paint job on the outside of this vehicle. And they didn't stop there either. The inside of this vehicle is like you're taking a step back in time with a few modern amenities. We have these awesome autometer gauges that are stainless steel, and they have some gauges built within them, and that orange arrow letting you know what's going on inside the vehicle, your miles per hour, fuel, oil pressure, voltage, your water temperature, and of course your RPMs. Just tucked away in there, giving you a nice visual of what's going on. But let's face it, guys, the car looks beautiful, sounds absolutely pleasurable to your ears, but sometimes you want to listen to your tunes. And we have this brand new OEM style aftermarket radio in here, AM and FM, and even auxiliary with it. So if you wanted to plug in your phone, your MP3 player, you plug that baby in and crank it up, and we have those awesome tunes coming right outside of these speakers here. Now, while we got the outside of the car looking good, the inside, our ears are pleasurable. Sometimes, guys, 80, 90 degrees out, you want to turn on that air conditioning. Or like today, where it's about 50 degrees out, you want to turn that heat on. That vintage air is super smooth. Crank it right up. And I don't know if you guys can hear that. but that baby's even got my hair moving. Super, super powerful blower on here. Just really, really nice. Everything flows in, even with this center console. Got that automatic 4L60E automatic transmission in here. Just absolutely beautiful. The seats are in wonderful condition. The headliner, the chrome A-pillars, even the dash. No dents, no screws, no bruises. It sounds great. And if you notice something, just take a listen to that. Nothing, no weird creaks or cruises. And we're gonna take this car and let's do some performance handling on it. So we just took that corner right at 40 miles an hour and it stuck to the road really well. LS powered motor, so reliability and super quick performance at the snap of a finger, or should I say the press of a gas pedal. So I hit that accelerator, downshifted, we're 60, 70, I mean, super comfortable. Those QA1 suspension is sucking up all those bumps. We've used them in a lot of our builds before, and I'll tell you what, they're great. I really just can't get over how quiet this car is. I mean, normally you would get some weird quirky noises every once in a while. These cars are, you know, almost 60 years old. And with all that power under the hood, whoa! We gotta make sure those Wilwood 6-piston in the front and 4 pistons in the rear stop this bad boy. Because I'll tell you what, you're gonna forget what you're driving when you sit in this driver's seat and hit that pedal. Woo-wee! All right, guys, and thank you for taking that ride with me. And don't go anywhere, because I'm gonna bring this car back to the barn and give you guys the opportunity to customize this already cool 1967 Chevrolet Camaro. I'll see you guys in a second. Woo! All right. And thank you guys for taking that ride with me. That was so much fun. What an awesome car. So like I was saying, let's give you guys an opportunity to customize this car just a little bit to your liking. And I'll tell you what, this is a beautiful front end of this vehicle. The SS front end, super iconic. But what's better than that? The RS kit, the Detroit Speed Electronic Headlight Kit. We do have that as an available option for $3,999, and that's fully installed. You pull that switch and bam, those headlight doors are gonna open right up. You wanna take it one step further than that? Add our Restomod LED headlight kit, which is gonna give you the halo ring with an LED built in. So when you open those doors up, bam, you're gonna have that halo light. Pull it one step further and you're gonna have that LED illuminating the night light ahead. Now already installed the D80 spoiler package, very beautiful chrome front and rear bumpers. But you have to give yourself the opportunity to customize, right? So let's do it again. These Scop wheels on here, 17s in the front and 18s in the rear. Similar like a Corvette would have came factory from the dealership. Very nice, very stylish. But if you've watched our videos before and you like our wheels, you have the opportunity to add a set of 18-inch staggered MHT Rambler wheels on there. They are available in a bunch of different features, so we can go over that together if you'd like. Like I said, staggered in the front, 18s in the rear, and almost 10 inches wide right in the back. Now picture yourself driving this beautiful 1967 Camaro, having the original seats. Yes, it's very nice and very cool, but you could take it a step further with TMI's full adjustable seating on here with the high bolstered seats. Now, not only will it hold you in from the side area, it's also gonna hold you in from the back, giving you a super comfortable, very plush ride. But while we're talking about comfortability, already this vehicle has vintage air, keeping you nice and cool. We'll give you one more other option where you can have tinted windows installed in the vehicle, any shade of your liking. It's a hot summer day, you don't have the air conditioner on when you're out at the restaurant or at a car show. That's gonna block a lot of the UV rays, 99.9% of the UV rays, keeping the inside of the car cool. So we have the TMI seating available for $14.99, as well as the available window tint for $2.99. Now, while I will tell you, having a great running car is awesome, but having a good looking car is just as important. So this paint quality of this car is very good, but it's not great. So we're gonna take it from an 8 and bring it all the way up to an 11 with a paint restoration. So if you take a close look at the paint here, you'll notice a few little scratches in the paint. And that's usually due to like a car wash or something. Notice whenever I wipe down the car, I always make sure it's wet and then I wipe it down and then I'll buff it out. So I don't have any of those haze marks in there. So we're gonna fully paint restore this car, bringing it up to 2021. And restoration on this car is exquisite. I mean, look at the gappage from the hood, the cowl, even the door lines from the front. And if you come all the way to the back, you'll notice one quality thing about these vehicles. I'm gonna open the door and one finger, close the door. And it's super smooth from top to bottom. Just the quality of the chrome on here is very nice, as well as the restoration. Chrome components, chrome accessories, wheels, mirrors, stuff like that you can change. It's very hard for somebody to get this kind of quality out of a vehicle that's over 54 years old. I hope my body lines are this good when I'm 54. And just like all of our other vehicles, we will put this baby up on the lift and give it that hot steam bath, checking out any leaks, any type of bushings that have to be replaced, and taking care of them. Because this car, like I said before, was fully restored from top to bottom, we want to make sure that you guys get the same quality as it was done when it rolled off the showroom floor, showcasing the full underbody of this car, from the sway bar to the Willwood disc brake system on here, the pipes, 3-inch stainless steel exhaust, the frame connectors, and even that 12-bolt rear end. So whether you're putting this car up on a lift or bringing it to a car show and putting mirrors underneath it, this is one car that's definitely gonna get full attention. And then it's time for our 40-point mechanical inspection, making and ensuring that any of the parts that we installed on this vehicle are working appropriately. And then it's my favorite part, the 30-mile test drive. I'm gonna be taking this baby through some turns, making those brakes work, and definitely hitting that accelerator pedal, giving this baby all it's got and showcasing what it's all about. And there you guys have it, the triple black 1967 Chevrolet Camaro SS Pro Touring Restomod with that awesome LS motor, the 4L60E automatic transmission, and that 12-bolt rear end. You can't forget about the vintage air conditioning, the Willwood disc brakes in there, that awesome OEM setup, and that amazing sound system. So hopefully you guys get this dream ride in your garage. And guys, I'm Chris Mazzarella, and you've been watching No Reserve Classics. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to give me a call, Chris, at 1-800-562-7815. And if you guys haven't done it already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because you never know, your dream ride could be in the next video.